Welcome back to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. If you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we'll be talking about the Rolex Datejust 31 with a white mother-of-pearl dial, diamond bezel, round diamond hour markers on a Jubilee bracelet, reference number 278240. The case, as denoted in its name, is 31 millimeters in diameter, made of oyster steel for strength and durability, along with the ability to polish to an exceptional degree. The architecture is a monoblock middle case with a screw-down case back and winding crown to ensure waterproofness down to 100 meters or 330 feet. The bezel on this is actually an aftermarket diamond bezel capable of attracting attention from anywhere in the room with its ability to reflect light from any angle. This bezel did not come stock on this specific model, but if you would like to see, this is the original bezel that came on it. It was a smooth domed bezel placed directly over the dial just like that. All right. But, and while this bezel did not come stock on this specific model, is certainly an option if you want the case to complement the dial well. This bezel came at the customer's request, and we were able to have the original domed bezel replaced. So while it does look a bit excessive to have so many handset diamonds placed so precariously within this bezel, I fully agree that it looks absolutely complete and gorgeous. The crystal is a transparent, scratch-resistant sapphire, so there's no fear of suit threads or buttons damaging it. There's a Cyclops lens directly over the date for easy reading at a glance. And while we're there, the dial on this model actually did not come stock either, as it actually originally came with a white dial with Roman numerals, as you can see right here. Alright, certainly an upgrade when it comes to presentation. This dial is a white mother of pearl and set with 10 diamonds and 18 karat gold settings on all hour marks except the 12 and 3, which are taken by the Rolex crown logo and the date window respectively. The diamond presentation set before the mother of pearl dial background makes for a very special distinguished look for those looking to really demonstrate a refined air and taste in aesthetics. And while this exact configuration is definitely possible directly from Rolex, availability could be rather low, given that all of the parts together require precision from hand setting combined with the high demand. We can purchase an existing model, one that may be more readily available, and have all the necessary parts swapped out at your request to give you this absolutely beautiful mother of pearl diamond dial with the diamond bezel. All right, and while we're also here, we can also take a look at the winding crown. Simply unwind it to the first position so you can wind the watch, pull out to the next position, and you can rotate it counterclockwise to advance the date. It's about a quarter turn to advance it, so if you're a time traveler, this would be the watch for you. Pull out to the final position. Notice that the seconds hand has actually stopped, and you can now adjust the minute hand and then press it right back in for precise timekeeping. Be sure to wind it directly against the case to maintain that superior water resistance. All right, and so what makes all of this work is the movement. The newest of Rolex's in-house made movements, a 2236 caliber with a +2 second time differential per 24 hours, continuing to exceed Swiss standards of timekeeping. It is a perpetual, mechanical, and self-winding timepiece, so you only need to wind it once fully while wearing it to allow the timepiece to continue winding throughout the day. The oscillator contains high-performance Paraflex shock absorbers and a Soloxy hairspring in silicon to prevent electromagnetic interference as well as resist temperature changes, keeping the movement consistent in nearly any condition. Summer, winter snowstorms, California wildfires, you name it. The power reserve is 55 hours long, so you can set it down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Monday morning ready to conduct business, and it'll be keeping track of time just fine. Now this bracelet is a Jubilee style bracelet, 5-piece links across, 3 in the center with a high polish, and the 2 outer links a brushed steel finish with a high polish on the sides, as you can see here. The clasp is the concealed folding oyster clasp, so to open it, simply locate that crown, lift it from the very top, and it pops right open, nice and easy as you would have it. And while we're here, I can try on the watch and give you some more of my thoughts. All right, so my wrist is about average size, 7.25 to 7.5 inches in circumference, and it is rather small on my wrist. Granted that it is actually 31 millimeters in diameter, but I do get a lot more bracelet than case. So, you know, if that's the sort of aesthetic that you're going for, especially with the small form factor, fits directly under any sleeve or even suit cuff very nicely. So if that's the sort of thing that you're looking for, this is certainly a very good contender for that type of watch. So enough of what I think. What do you think about this watch? Let us know down in the comments below. Be sure to leave a like, as it really helps our channel out. Be sure to share this video with anybody looking for the next watch, or is perhaps thinking of upgrading their Datejust 31 to something with a more sparkle. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification so you can be notified when we go live with another video. Don't forget, if you want this or any other watch, be sure to put in your order at jazztime.com. Links in the description below.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.